am basically a pass out of the 2008 batch of Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering. I am currently functioning as a Deputy General Manager in Artistic Minerals, which is the biggest denim exporter in the country. I've been involved in project management and business excellence for the past 10 years and been very, very fortunate to see the wonderful growth of our specialization in field, especially in the areas of Lean, Six Sigma, process improvement and project management.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyid Saad Alwar and I am a 2008-9 batch graduate from NED University in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering Department. Right now I am working as team lead in Autoparts Division of Lucky Motor Corporation.
Hi, my name is Sarah Ali. I did my undergrad in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from NED University. After that, I moved to United States and completed my master's in automotive engineering from Clemson University. I currently work as a program manager for a medical device company called Fujifilm Sonosite.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zain. I'm from batch 2008. Currently, I'm working as a project manager for a company called Injection Works here in the United States of America. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Haseeb Ahmed and I'm an industrial and manufacturing engineer from NED University. I graduated from NED University in 2016 and currently I'm a part of Toyota Tusho Canada Incorporation. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. My name is Akbar Ali and I am working in Yasraf Refinery, that is one of the world's largest refinery. It's joint venture between Sinopec and Aramco Refinery of Saudi Arabia. Been working here as a projects and turnaround engineer and I've been very successful in this career thanks to IMD, who has given me all necessary tools and knowledge that help me not only to perform my day-to-day jobs here but also to excel in my career. Thank you very much. I am the best.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Mohammad Saad Yasin. I have been working in Total Parco for last 5 years as an area sales manager. I graduated from NED Industrial Manufacturing Department in 2014 and my past experience is of light engineering Caterpillar. There I was as a product support engineer and I have a hands-on experience in assembling and disassembling of 16V gas engines, and for the same lubricants now I'm in sales department in Total Parco, Pakistan. So it's first it was a service and engineering pure job, now it's a B2B sales job. So best of luck for that.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Asif Hassan and I have earned bachelor's in Industrial and Manufacturing Engineering from NED University of Engineering and Technology. I was enrolled in the year 2004 and I graduated from the university in 2007 December. I was appointed as Assistant Manager at Production in Soparco in 2008. Currently, I am working in Soparco under the capacity of General Manager Production.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Kashif Rahim. I have done bachelor's from NED University from Industrial Manufacturing Department in batch 2001. Currently, I am working as General Manager Plant Administration in Indus Motor Company. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Fahad and I did engineering from Industrial Manufacturing Department 2007-2008 batch and passed out in 2011. Right now I am associated with Aisha Steel Mill Limited and having experience of 11 years and as a manager operations department. Thank you very much.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी, मेरा नाम सलमान फैज़ है। मेरा ताल्लुक IM बैच 2004-2005 से है। पिछले 13 सालों से मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में मुकीम हूँ। इस वक्त मैं ऑस्ट्रेलिया में कंपनी UGL के साथ एज अ डिज़ाइन मैनेजर मैकेनिकल सिस्टम मुंसलिक हूँ। हम लोग कोर बिजनेस जो है रोड रेल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में है। इस वक्त मैं मैकेनिकल टीम लीड कर रहा हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया के सबसे लार्जेस्ट रोड टनल प्रोजेक्ट पे, जिसके तकरीबन $16 बिलियन है। आइए इस शानदार इंस्टीट्यूशन NED का हिस्सा बनिए और कल को एक कामयाब इंजीनियर बनकर इस ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए खिदमत करें।
Assalamu alaikum. मेरा नाम असफर है and I am industrial manufacturing engineer from NED University in 2007-8. Currently, I work in Australia as a demand and supply planner in supply chain field. As I am engineer, I feel that we develop unique skills to improve the process efficiencies and system productivity. And this is very useful in today's world where there is misallocation of resources and shortage of resources as well.